Hey, fifth grade, we're going to take a look at our project for social studies for chapter 8. What we're going to do is we're going to make a Google Slides to go over what we learned in chapter 8. To start, we need to go to a blank Google Slides. We need to put our name, so say Mr. Ops, chapter 8 project. Then down here you can write the same thing, or you can say, chapter 8 project, and then down in the bottom you can say bye, and you can say your name. Okay, and then we're going to go on and do additional slides. What these slides are going to look like is what we learn in this section. Okay, so we're going to have a slide for section 1, the introduction. We are going to have a slide for section 2, West Africa in the 1500s. Then when we get into these dilemma and choices, those are going to be a slide together. So section 3 and 4 will be a slide. Section 5 and 6 will be a slide. Section 7 and 8 will be a slide. Summary will be a slide. And that is all that we're going to do. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll have our introduction slide, that first one, and then we'll have these 6 slides. So you should have at least 7 slides when you're done. You can include pictures if you'd like. You obviously can have more than 7 if you need to, but pretty much what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going back through the sections, and we are going to be writing about what we learned in each one. Okay, so you're just going to kind of paraphrase, summarize what each section taught you about it. You're going to put it into Google Slides. That looks like this, and you're going to make sure that you share it with me. Now, we are going to be working on this today and Wednesday, so don't feel rushed. Don't think that you have to, try to hunker down really hard and get this all done today. Take your time, do good work. Please don't just copy and paste. We shouldn't just go over to introduction and say, for hundreds of years, the slave trade or exchange of captured people for goods and services forced West Africans to confront dilemmas to survive. Okay, you shouldn't write that. Okay, put it into your own words. Make it fun, make it unique, make it yours. Let me know if you have any questions.